Let's talk about how to adjust downward facing dog. First of all, you want to walk all the way around your student and make sure that their alignment is correct. Check the distance between their hands, make sure they're pressing into the base of the index finger, broadening through the shoulder blades. From behind, you can check and make sure that the feet are hips width apart. The feet are the distance of where the femur comes into the hip joint. Also check that the neck is relaxed. When adjusting, get yourself in a nice stable position like lunge or warrior one. Be sure your shoulders are lower than their hips. Place the palms of your hands on the sacrum with the fingers pointing toward the side. And when you press up towards the tailbone. When you release very slowly. Make sure they're stable before walking away. Here it is one more time. Get yourself in a stable position. Put the heel of the hands on their sacrum and press up towards the tailbone. Be sure they're stable before you step away. Another adjustment that works for downward facing dog is to come from behind, place your foot in between their feet, grab hold of the hips, your shoulders are aligned with their spine, and then you're going to pull up towards the tailbone. You can put quite a bit of pressure here, really pulling so that their hands loosen. When you release, make sure to release very slowly as you're giving them their weight back. Make sure they're stable, and then slowly start to walk away. And here it is one more time. Get yourself stable. Take hold strongly of their hip bones. Your shoulders are aligned with their spine. Press into your front foot to get a lot of leverage, pulling the tailbone towards the sky and creating space in between the vertebra. Very slowly, give them their weight back. Check that they're stable, and then release. I hope this video has been helpful for you in knowing how to adjust downward facing dog. Be sure to leave me a comment and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to learn more, you can join one of our trainings. Thanks for watching this video.